Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to write a review on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, I would open my Facebook application. After that, I will tap on my profile option right here and I will go to my profile menu. Here I will tap on pages. After entering into pages, I will tap on liked pages. Here I find my liked pages. After that, I will tap on a particular page on which I want to write a review. After that, I will tap on a rating option which is present right here. So here we go. Here we can write a review. If we tap on yes, then we have to write a review on particular page. Then here is an option that can we recommend that page to others. So here if I tap yes, then I have to write a positive feedback or positive review about that page. So I'll write it, and after that, and here we go. That's how you write a review on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.